Summer rains and warm temperatures attract mosquitoes in droves. Did you know that mosquitoes and flies become most active when temperatures rise above 80 degrees? These pests can be more than just annoying. They can transmit serious diseases. But don't worry, we've found a natural solution that worked wonders for us, and we're excited to share it with you. Before we dive in, tell us, what insects annoy you the most at home? Today, we're showing you how to make a simple, natural recipe to get rid of mosquitoes and ants. While mosquitoes may be pesky, they do play a role in nature, so instead of killing them, let's focus on keeping them away. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, 1 glass of water. Instructions. Boil the water, add cloves and bay leaves, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After it cools, strain the mixture. Mix in the white vinegar. Transfer the solution to a spray bottle. This mixture has a strong clove scent, making it perfect for cleaning surfaces like dining tables, countertops, and even sofas. Spray it around your home to keep mosquitoes and ants at bay. Amazing, isn't it? Give it a try and share your results with us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for more natural remedies.